So here we go. Onions are starting to show. These ones in the front, these are Figaro. These are shallots, and these went in on the 5th. So they haven't taken long. All I've done is bring them in, put them in this, my little cold office on a 6-foot table. And now they've just started to peek their heads through overnight. Last night I've turned on the lights. And they can stay in here now for a little while. They ain't hurting. Let them grow on a bit, make them a bit stronger before they go back out into the cold. And the light, you don't have to use fancy grow lights. I know all the experts will say you have. This is just a 6,500 Kelvin strip light, LEDs, 45 watts, and that's as close to daylight as you really need. Plants don't know any different. I know people will say, oh, well, they respond differently to different colour temperatures of light, but these will be fine. I've used them for the last 3 years. Nice cheap way of bringing them on. There we go. Keep on gardening.